Yo, welcome back. Give you guys a quick update of what happened after yesterday after I pulled the carpet out. I'm just going to show you real quick. So the floor, solid as a rock, nothing wrong with it there. I did have to cut away some of the insulation that was here. It was pretty nasty. Also here. Now the heater core is directly behind here, and then you see I pulled some of the stuff out. So yesterday, after I got off yesterday, I did pull this out because one reason when I was cutting all this out, I noticed it was missing a lot of screws. So that will give me an indication that somebody's been here. So just to give you an idea, actually I could just, this is not supposed to pop out like that whatsoever. So that's telling me that somebody's been here. So I did pull out the old radiator, the old core support. It's that cartridge goes way back up in there. And also you can see here that somebody's cut the dash frame there and cut it here. And it's kind of, so I will have to weld all that back up. And the core support go I don't know why I keep saying core support. The yeah, core support right there. I keep thinking of radiator support, and it goes through that line there. So let me show you guys the core support. I don't know, I think it's here it is here, the heater core instead of the core support. I put it already together, and I went on ahead and put a little bit of sealant around it, high temp sealant, because I don't want it to leak at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in there, and the reason why I'm doing it right now, because I was gonna wait till tomorrow, but I noticed that I'm getting some drips pretty bad, and that is antifreeze, and we don't want that. It's just started, I saw it dripping there, and I don't want that dripping all over the ground. So I'm gonna hurry up and put this in, and that's it. Let's get started. Okay, all right, so I got it back in here. It's just barely in there. I gotta put a screw here, and also I noticed that I believe the controller on this side is gone, but I don't see a plug, so this may not be a dual control. Yeah, I don't think it's a dual control. I'm hoping not. And also it's supposed to be a cover here that keeps this in place, and also a cover that goes over that line there. So I may have to go to the junkyard, which is my favorite place to go, and get the parts. I need to finish this off, but I'm gonna put most of this back. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go ahead and weld it today. I kind of want to, just to get it out the way and get it back together. But my main thing is that I want to hook that up, and then I want to come out here and hook these lines back up really quick to make sure that it's not going to leak inside before I button up everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and give that a shot. Alrighty, so I got the hoses back on. Got a little light here so you guys can see. I got a large hose and a small hose here. It's got your feed and your return from the engine. So the way it works is that the engine heats up, the water goes, antifreeze goes through the core, the heater core, and then it comes back out to the engine to be cooled. But in the meantime, while it's hot in there and you turn in your heat, that's where you get your heat from. So it goes through there, through your feed and return through there. And I'm also checking for any leaks too. But we need to get the car started, get it up to temperature, and also top it off, because I'm pretty sure that some of it already leaked out. Well, we had a lot to leak out. So I need to get the bleed screw for that, and I need to go find the keys. So I will be right back. Go ahead and start it. Golly, that was a new battery, and it's sounding like it's dead already. Okay, try to fill it up there, because when I looked in there was nothing there. We're gonna put a little bit in here and see what it does. Now there's a little smoke over there because of that radiator fluid went on the headers over there. Okay, so that's gone already. So let's put a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna leave it out and see if it drains all the way through. And it's still bubbling. Okay, I only see a tiny bit in there. Put a little bit more. Now I just gotta wait till the thermostat and stuff opens. I had a funnel that was for that, but I lost it. It's somewhere in the garage. I don't have no idea where it's at. Oh, let's go check the other side and see if we got any leaks. No leaks yet. Huh, kind of warm already. I didn't think they'd get warm that fast. Well, I still got the heater stuff plugged up, so let's go ahead and turn that joker on full blast. Yeah, sorry for the noise. Okay, so I let it run for a while. It did get hot inside, and well, it didn't get hot as I thought it was gonna get, but I believe because like I do have all the doors open and the wind is blowing, so I think that might be one of the problems. But anyway, it's working, it's not leaking, and the next thing on our list to fix is that I do want to clean the seats really good, because it bothers me to death. I can have a clean car and it can not have an engine in and I'll be totally happy. So I want to clean the seats. What else we have to do? Waiting on carpet. I did order carpet, so I have to wait till that comes in. I need to go to the junkyard as well to get those covers, because I'm not sure. I don't want nobody sticking their feet under there and getting burned, so I have to get those covers for that. The next thing is the shocks. These struts is okay on this part, but the glass, it has struts in here too because it's open separately. Those are shot. It doesn't open whatsoever. Clean up the rest of the parts that I have in here that goes in inside. Engine wise, we're all set there. We don't have to do anything there. I do have one good tire. I mean, it is I think it's a few years old. I have one good tire, but the rest of them, they won't pass inspection. I checked them already with my meter, and I think they need to be, this one was it was in the yellow. This one was in the yellow. It was kind of okay, but I might end up replacing that, and the 2 back tires for sure, because those are slicks. Those went straight to red, so I do want to replace those. And then that's it. Once I get that done, there's nothing else to fix on it. So besides doing the transmission fluid and the rear end, check and make sure that's okay. But I think that's it. Until next time, comment, like, subscribe. I gotta get to use saying that, because I haven't been saying that whatsoever on none of my videos. Yeah, I haven't. All right, thanks guys. See you next time.